Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll tell you what a website is, why it is made, and then we'll talk about the front end, back end, domain, and finally, how much a web developer or designer can earn. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Start with what a website is. A website is a digital place where you show your information, products or services to people online. It can be for anything, like an online store, a news blog, a personal portfolio, a school page, or a company profile. Whatever work you do in real life, if you want to show it online, you need a website. Now let's talk about the front end. The front end is the part of the website that the user sees. Whenever you visit a website and see buttons, images, text, or animations, that's all front end. To build the front end, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The front end controls the layout and design of the website, so it looks good and is easy to use. Now comes the back end. The back end is the part of the website that works behind the scenes. It handles all the data, user logins, forms, and processing. You don't see it, but it's doing the main job. Technologies like PHP, Node.js, Python, or Java are used for the back end. Databases like MySQL or MongoDB are also part of the back end. Now let's talk about the domain. A domain is simply the address of your website. Just like your house has an address, your website also needs one. This is called the domain name. For example, google.com or youtube.com. These are domain names. To make your own website, you need to buy a domain name and also get hosting, which is the online space where your website files are stored. Now let's talk about earnings. A beginner web developer can earn around $300 to $800 per month through freelancing or job. If you have some experience, you can earn $1,000 to $3,000 or even more. If you work with international clients or start your own agency or service, your income can grow even more. A web designer who only focuses on layout and visual design can also earn well using tools like WordPress, Webflow, or Figma. So this was a complete beginner guide to website development. If you want me to make a full course on this topic, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.